Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Lucci. I am going to be going over the plans with you today. I'm out, but the sub will be taking my place and following along, so this should all work pretty smoothly. First and foremost, you need two things out in front of you today. One is your homework packet, remembering that page 7 was assigned last night as part of block 4. The second thing that you all need in front of you is the Cars and Clean Air handout that you just picked up on your way in. It was on the front table. Last but not least, a third item, not a piece of paper, but rather your textbook. You're going to want that later on in class because you're going to need that to help you out. So that's the third item, though not a piece of paper per se. So we'll be starting today with the Brain Pop. It's on air pollution. This is in follow-up to the reading that you did last night about air quality in section 4 of the chapter. After you review the Brain Pop, you'll be going over the homework and any questions that you have. And please have that out so that the sub can check that for you and check it off my list. From there, you will all be individually be responsible for completing the Cars and Clean Air handout. If you go to pages 28 to 29 in your textbook, you can read about the issues of air pollution and fossil fuel and the effects of cars on our air quality. And then there are 3 questions. The 3 questions on page 29 have been put into the handout that you picked up on your way in. For the third question, you have the option of creating an advertisement if you don't want to write an opinion piece. The opinion piece should be about 1 to 2 paragraphs. I'm not looking for 1 to 2 sentences. It definitely can be more thorough than that. However, if you prefer an advertisement type of thing with a slogan or some images, there is white computer paper on my desk, and near station 6 there are some colored pencils in the box if you want to come up with something that's a little bit more artsy. That's certainly your choice. Once you finish that, if you finish that during class time today, you can take out the layers of the atmosphere lab and work on that so that tomorrow, which will be Thursday when I return, you're going to be turning in Cars and Clean Air and the layers of the atmosphere lab. So we'll kind of review all of that and then start preparing for our review of the test, which is going to be on Monday. All right, thanks so much.